Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by creating a new folder for your project on your local machine. Navigate into this directory using your terminal or command prompt. The very first step is to initialize a Git repository here by typing git init. This command creates a hidden Git folder, which is essential for tracking all your project's changes. Next, add your files and make your initial commit. Now, let's set up the remote home for your project. Head over to your preferred Git hosting service, such as GitHub or GitLab. Create a brand new, empty repository there. It's crucial not to initialize it with a README or license file at this stage, as this can cause conflicts later. Once created, copy the unique URL provided for your new remote repository. With your remote repository ready, it's time to connect your local project to it. In your terminal, use the command git remote add origin, followed by the URL you just copied. Origin is the standard alias for your main remote repository. To confirm the connection, type git remote v. This will display the remote's name and its associated URL, ensuring everything is correctly linked. Finally, let's get your local code onto the remote server. Execute git push uorigin master in your terminal. The U flag is important here. It sets up the upstream tracking, meaning future pushes from your master branch to origin can be done with a simple git push. This command sends all your committed changes from your local master branch to the remote repository, making your project accessible online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.